Some ancient technologies remain unexplained, leaving scientists puzzled even today. What secrets do they hold? Civilizations rose and fell, taking their advanced knowledge with them and leaving us questions. How did the Egyptians build the Great Pyramid? Their techniques remain a subject of analysis and debate. The Nazca lines in Peru are massive geoglyphs that can only be seen from the sky. But why were they created? Stonehenge stands as a testament to ancient engineering, yet its purpose still eludes researchers. The Antikythera mechanism is an ancient Greek device that acted like an analog computer. Its full functions remain unclear. Various ancient texts reference machines that powered temples, yet their designs are lost to time. Many lost civilizations left behind relics that spark endless curiosity about their advanced technologies. The Inca Trail showcases incredible road systems built over rugged terrains, demonstrating engineering marvels of ancient civilizations. Ancient cultures possessed profound knowledge of astronomy, yet how did they acquire such understanding? The burial chambers in ancient pyramids reveal elaborate construction and beliefs about the afterlife. Scholars and scientists often debate over the methods used to construct these wonders, further deepening the mystery. How did ancient sailors navigate vast oceans without modern instruments? Their methods remain a wonder. The Moai statues of Easter Island raise questions about their construction and transport over long distances. Ancient artifacts like the Baghdad battery suggest a sophistication in electrical principles we often overlook. The Colosseum's design is an architectural marvel, yet its construction techniques still baffle experts. Despite our advancements, many ancient techniques are as mysterious today as they were centuries ago. Art from ancient civilizations holds clues to their incredible knowledge and practices that define their era. Ancient agricultural techniques laid the foundation for modern farming yet remain poorly understood. Deciphering ancient languages may reveal secrets about technology they understood but left unrecorded. Remarkable surgical practices in ancient cultures hint at their advanced medical knowledge and techniques. The manner in which ancient people documented knowledge provides insight into their technological mastery. Myths and legends are glimpses into the advanced understanding of the world in ancient times. Learning from ancient technologies may inspire innovative solutions to modern challenges. Our understanding of ancient technologies continues to evolve as new discoveries are made. Many ancient technologies still remain unsolved mysteries, challenging our perception of history. Dive deeper into history's enigmas. Subscribe for more amazing insights and discoveries.